got this wall done. It's ready for paint, the whole bit. Also this wall, mind you, there's going to be gyprock up here. One sheet of 1/2 inch gyprock. A plug will go in here. Actually, a plug will go in on the other side. And here, there's going to be an electrical outlet here, and there's going to be dimmer switches here for the 2 pot lights we're going to put into the ceiling here. Then in here, just washed the floor. Finally got this room completely sanded, mudded, sanded, ready for paint, the whole bit. So this is ready to go. Corners are a little interesting to do, but first time doing that, enjoyed that. So this wall is ready to go. Oh, I'll turn off this LED light. It makes the camera flicker. There we go. So yeah, this corner here is done. Ready for the paint. Be putting in light switches in this area here. Thermostat here. For the smaller heater, we're going to be putting in there. This heater is going to be taken out. Got to wait for the electrician to take that out. Put the wiring in for the pot lights. This wall's done. And we're putting in, I think I said it earlier in another video, we're putting in 1/2 inch. And then we're going to be putting in 5/8 gyprock here to help with the sound deadening for the game room. As our bedroom's upstairs, and yeah. Pretty good stuff. A lot of work, a lot of preparation. It is really coming along good. So these walls are already painted. I'll go over them, make sure they're good, ready for paint. So once we get the 2 pieces of gyprock going up here, yeah, we'll be throwing in the paint, putting in a door. Obviously, that's made for a door, and here as well. We'll be putting a door into the storage room, this area here. So I'll be putting more shelves in on this side, more shelves down on that side. It'll clean it up in there a lot more. So once that door is on, it'll be good. This wall, we'll get it all finished, painted, the whole bit. Yeah, we're getting progress. The only thing now, waiting for the electrician. When he gets a chance to come by, it'll be done.